So my friend, he just got his new iPhone delivered, and we're about to see what's inside the box.
Go ahead.
Look at the sensitive information. Look, here it is. No, this is what they call a money shot in the industry. There it is.
Look at it. Look at that. Is this the biggest one?
I think so. It's not. It
Is
doesn't
that
look.
pink on the back?
Is it? I can't tell. Is it pink? I was in a rush. I was in a rush when I ordered.
You ordered the pink one. That's
Okay.
cool, man. That's
Alright.
cool.
Okay, it comes with headphones. Looks like a
Yeah, it always comes with that thing.
little tiny charger thing.
Okay. You, turn it on right now. It should have like 30%. They always ship it with 30.
Alright. Oh, there it is.
Yeah.
I'm gonna do like some slow movements for you.
Uh,
You should get a close up. It looks good.
wait. Let me get you out of the shadow. That's cool. Yeah, take a picture. I want to see like the picture quality and stuff.
Okay.
Like, that'll be dope.
So it's got like a little piece of paper here. Oh look, hello. There you go. Swipe up. English. If you have an iPhone or iPad running, bring it nearby. If you want to set it up manually, set it up manually. Alright. Just set
Bring
it up.
it nearby.
Yeah, this is that high tech stuff now. Alright, so it's trying to join my Wi-Fi right now. So it's already, so one thing I noticed already is that I've got an Apple Airport Express 2 rooms away inside the house, and this has 2 bars, I guess 2 Wi-Fi bars, whereas my old phone when I was out here, it couldn't, I had an iPhone 7 Plus or something, and it couldn't connect to the Wi-Fi router. This one's already, it's doing great. It says, so Face ID, iPhone can recognize unique 3-dimensional features of your face to unlock.
You better not grow your beard back. I want to be like, who is that?
Get started. Okay, here we go. Move your head slowly to complete the circle. Or follow the arrow. Oh, this is weird. Look at this. This is strange.
That is weird.
I got something in my eye.
No, it's good for you have to scratch your eye every time you open it.
Okay, it says its first is complete.
Now you gotta move your lips everywhere.
Face ID is now set up. Okay, don't look at my passcode.
Oh, okay.
Passcode.
Yeah, sorry about that. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's a good password, man.
Okay. Should I set it up as a new phone or restore
No, restore your old phone.
from iCloud?
Yeah, that way you can get all your numbers that you lost when you lost it on the mountain.
Maybe I want to start over again.
Oh, like forget everybody?
Yeah.
Yeah, that sounds good. Just put me in there. In our new company, whatever it's called. What is it called again?
I forgot my password.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Oh, my iCloud password.
You revealed your eyes. Now everyone knows who you are.
These are cool though. I forgot about these.
What, headphones?
Yeah, the Apple ones.
Yeah, people use them to listen to music.
I just forgot they gave them to you, like with the
Oh, yeah.
cable seems longer or nicer or something. Just seems like a little nicer.
It's still got the powder on it.
Feels so Apple-y.
Hey, what's it asking you now? Tell us.
Okay, it says keep your iPhone up to date, get the latest features, security, and improvements by automatically updating iOS. You'll receive a notification before updates are installed, and you can choose other options in the setting. Must set up later. Apple Pay. And then, oh, my watch. So I have this Apple Watch.
Oh yeah.
Screen
Let's see the
time.
Apple Watch. Okay. Well, I can pretty much see it. So that's fine.
Share with app developers. Continue. Oh. Okay, we're gonna speed this part up.
Okay. You look distressed. Everybody's be like, "What happened? Why is he doing that?"
That would be our. You should take a photo of me going like this.
Yeah.
This is video. Cool. Alright, so here's the photo. It looks pretty good. I mean, it's a little overly. I would say it's a little overtouched.
Yeah.
They did noise reduction on your face.
Yeah. Zoom in.
Here's the video.
Zoom in on the photo first.
Okay. Come on. You're supposed to be new and great.
Zoom in on my face. Yeah. Am I that pink? Like,
I think it's. They're still figuring out. I mean, you've got pink leaves. Look at the leaves behind you. These look
Well, my
great.
shirt's kind of red, I guess.
Let me get a shot of these leaves real quick. Jesus. How do you turn the? Oh, there we go. All right. 4K 30. See, this is Apple. This is what I want to be able to do. I want to be able to click right here and change the format that I'm shooting in. 1080p, 120 frames per second, whatever. 4K 24. I can't do that. I got to go into what, settings? This is ridiculous. You guys should work on that. See, now I'm having to go camera mode, preserve the last mode, creative controls, preserve the last used. Let's see. 4K at 24.
So it takes a while.
Yeah, I'm still doing this. Like, I'm still working on it right now. Okay, record stereo sound formats, most compatible, or high efficiency. To reduce file size, capture photos and videos in high efficiency. Most compatible will always use JPEG H.264, but 4K, as you guys are getting way too complicated. Alright. I like the idea of high efficiency though. I've heard H.265, you have more data in the, I guess in the highlights and stuff like that, so. More resolution, is that possible? Smart HDR, I've heard good things about Smart HDR. Okay, let's try this again. So, get some footage of these leaves right here that look really nice. So this is the first shot. See, what's up with this little slider bar too? You see this little gray slider bar?
Yeah.
What is that?
I don't know.
See, I don't want that while I'm watching a video. I'd say the telephoto looks a little gray. Right here in myself. Hold on. Everybody's a critic.
All right, but still, I still want you to go to that photo and like zoom in.
Oh, and you?
Yeah, and just see like the pixel count and everything.
Pixel count. Like, that's as far in.
Oh, it doesn't even let you.
No, that's as far as we're going.
That's crazy. That's pretty sharp though. What is that? 12 megapixel?
I don't
Same
know.
thing? Yeah, I think it's the same.
Here's this looks pretty good though. The video is not bad. And if you go on Wired.com, you can see a video that the director of Crazy Rich Asians shot something recently with this phone. Which
Really?
looked pretty good. I mean, it didn't look terrible.
We should do.
This is oh there we go. Now it's going away. The little gray bar is going away. Yeah, we could shoot something with Shield. I think that should go away sooner.
Let's do our music video.
That's weird. Like, so, do you notice that weird buffering thing?
Yeah.
Some strange, like right here, it's like jerking.
Yeah. Can't get the reflection to go away.
It's okay.
All right. So this was the unboxing of the infamous iPhone. What is it? What's it called? iPhone.
iPhone. It doesn't. It just says iPhone on the back. It's the big. The UPS guy says the iPhone Mega.
iPhone Mega.
Yeah.
The newest one.
Yep. Newest, biggest, fanciest kind of thing.
All right. Let's go work out.